directorial job ito. It's a comedy na feeling ko ay hinahanap ng mga masang Pilipino. And of course, this is a great tribute to my dad.
How are you? This is the first time na nakakausap ka ng showbiz press after what happened. Siguro ang consensus namin lahat is kamusta ka?
I'm good. It's good na I got the not so good details out of the way nung isang press con ko. I'm sure you're all aware of that. I wanted to get that out of the way para makapag-promote. Alangan naman pumunta ako dito promoting my film. Very sad and maraming tinatagong galit at lungkot at hinanakit. So I wanted to get it out. Wanted to get it out of the way, and I did. Nailabas ko na lahat ng mga emotions ko doon. So I'm very happy that now I get to promote my movie na masaya naman. And yun nga, of course, this is all, may nagsabi kasing, is it too soon to release the movie after what happened? I believe this is the perfect time to release the movie kasi yung, sorry, ayoko na umiyak, pero yung huling image of my dad was it wasn't nice. So hopefully this erases that. Makita naman natin siya in all his glory.
Na magaan, na masaya, na fun. Ganun ba yung character niya dito, Kuya Jano?
Actually, hindi. Medyo mabigat din yung eksena namin dito. But towards the end, it gets lighter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mahirap bang i-direct ang father?
Hindi naman kasi kita ko naman yung support niya. I remember one instance na yung confrontation scene namin. I was rewriting the script bago kunan yung eksena. So, sinusulat namin. Tapos pinadala ko na, sabi ko, bigyan niya na sa daddy ko para pag-aralan niya. Pagdating ko sa set, sabi ng daddy ko, alam niyo naman daddy ko, sinong magaling na nagsulat nitong dialogue na ito? Gante! So, syempre, kilig naman ako nun.
Right. Meron po ba siyang parang in-impart sa inyo na, baka drama po ba yung eksena?
Yes.
Kasi si Tito Ron talagang master ng drama.
Hindi naman. Kung meron man siyang mga puna, after na lang niya sinasabi sa akin. Not about the scene, about the whole movie. Sana ganito. Pwede mo pang ginawa ito.
So it appears, Kuya Jano, that this movie is gonna be very, very precious for you.
Of course. Yeah, it's like I said, it's the best parting gift my dad can give me.
Technically po ba ito yung last na film na nagawa niya or meron pa po?
Hindi po. Meron po siyang nagawa pa with napalabas na yung iba eh. Merong ipapalabas kasabay nito, I think, Good Game. He's there also. But meron pa siyang isa with Bex Batalyon.
Pati po
Poon. So this is not his last one.
Pero grabe Kuya Jano, ang dami niyang natapos
Yeah,
sa pelikula.
ang dami. Till the end, dami. He was very active.
Right.
What was your favorite moments working with him dito sa movie? Any memorable?
With me, yung action scenes namin. Meron kaming action scenes dito, together. So, ang sarap kasi talagang dinedirect ko siya at medyo pinahirapan ko siya ng konti, technically. We had fun. I have pictures that I posted. Kita na stolen shots. Kita kaming masaya talaga.
Sir Jano, alam po namin na medyo hindi po okay yung naramdaman niyo po ngayon recently. Paano po kayo nag-move on doon sa nangyari?
Pag yung hindi ako tinatanong ng mga ganyan, hindi nakakatulong yung tanong mo. Hindi naman. Like I said, family is the best support. Hindi kami naghihiwalay muna ngayon. Kasi nasa healing process pa kami. Hindi pa ako fully recovered. Basta, I'm good.
Siguro comment ko lang kasi chef, recently nagkaroon ka ng vacation, nagkaroon ng posting sa social media. May mga tao na hindi nila naiintindihan kung paano nag-cope up. Paano kayo nag-react?
May nambash, pero luckily for me, kinuyog naman siya ng ibang mga netizens na sabi, kanya-kanya tayo ng ways of grieving, diba? Meron kasi nagsayaw pa ako nag-TikTok ako Well, I didn't mean any harm, I didn't mean disrespect. Ayoko kasing in my social media, ayoko namang gamitin yung, alam mo na, gamitin yung, kumbaga pagkakitaan yung grief namin, yung puro na lang malungkot, na nag-iiyakan. Parang ginagamit mo na yung sitwasyon, di ba? Ayoko naman. So I wanted to show, magsasayaw ako.
Siguro fun question na lang, sir. Kung meron kang ipapatumba sa tatay mo, sino yun?
Yung mga vloggers. Lalo na si...
Ay! Kaya dyan may update na ba? Nag-apologize na po ba?
Yes, in fairness to the police, right after the press con, alam ni Ana yun, right after the press con, the one si General Maranan, who issued the press, siya yung nag-press con, di ba? Called me right away. He got hold of my number. Personally, sabi niya, Jano, napanood ko yung press con mo, and ako mismo, personally, nag-apologize sa'yo. And huwag ka mag-alala, mali talaga yun. At huwag ka mag-alala, mag-i-issue kagad ako ng press release.
So nakagaan yun, Tio?
Oh, of course. And he sounded sincere.
Jano, you announced na hindi ka na magsusunong police.
Yeah.
But how about the vloggers na sobrang malicious talaga yung titles?
You know, ako hindi, but itutumba kayo ng asawa ko. Si Bing ang medyo may init ang ulo sa mga yan. So,
Ano sinasabi ni Bing?
Parang gusto niya habulin
gawin?
Parang gusto niyang sumampol ng isa
Pero syempre, nung nangyari naman sa dad mo to, ang dami rin
Because
tribute.
Bing was very close to my dad.
And also
Again,
your
yeah.
Yung time po na nangyari nga to, ang dami nag-tribute din ng mga artista,
Yeah.
maraming nakaya. Nabasa niyo po ba yun? How do you feel about
Of
how
course.
loved your father is sa show?
Yeah, alam ko naman because as much as his co-workers loved him, as much as he was beloved sa industry, ganon din siya sa family namin. Even my kids, the other grandkids, sobrang close sa lolo nila.
Do you